Come take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, trailer brake controller, integrated, air cleaner, high capacity, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, skid plate package, LTZ Plus package, tires, P265/65 R18 all season, black wall, wheels, 418 x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, chrome-clad aluminum, LPO, rear wheelhouse liner, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, USB port, rear vision camera, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep red rubber, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and a suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.